dynamic leader with his unique strategies and approaches, and he aims to pave success path. So he has, in a very short span of a time, 40 years after which 15 years of rich experience. So he is honored with 80 international awards, and the most prestigious awards recently is acquired is European Business Awards. Not only in infrastructure world, it's in the education sector and different and safety and project management sector. He received such a prestigious awards. So he connects people from 22 countries, and he connects back to his childhood friends. And so he's doing something for the country, India. So people who are in India can be more privileged with those contacts and well establish their businesses.
మన వైశ్యరత్నమైనటువంటి ఆనిముత్యంలో ముత్యంలాగా ఎంఎన్ఆర్ గుప్తా గారు మన భారతదేశంలోనే కాకుండా ప్రపంచ దేశాల్లో కూడా విశ్వవిఖ్యాతగా ఒక పేరు తీసుకువస్తున్నారు. వారికి బ్లెసెస్ ఇస్తూ వారు భీమవరంలో నుంచి చదువు స్టార్ట్ చేసి తరతర అంచెలంచెలుగా ఎన్నో విశ్వవిద్యాలయాలకు వెళ్ళి అక్కడున్న అచీవ్మెంట్స్ అన్నింటినీ కూడా ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా ముందుకు తీసుకువస్తూ రాష్ట్రానికే కాకుండా దేశానికి కూడా పేరు తీసుకొస్తున్నారు.
ఇవాళ ఎంఎన్ఆర్ గుప్తా గారి గురించి మాట్లాడాలనుకున్నాము. హీ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఎక్సలెంట్ పర్సన్ అనమాట. తను అందరికీ కూడా భారతదేశం గర్వించదగ్గ పనులు ఎన్నో కూడా చేస్తున్నారు. ఆయన ఒమన్లో ఉండి అక్కడ దేశంలోకి వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా చాలా ఎన్నో కాంట్రాక్ట్లలో కూడా వాళ్ళకి చాలా విజయాన్ని సాధించి పెట్టారు. ఆయనకి ఈ చిన్న అవార్డ్స్ కాదండి, ఎంత పెద్ద అవార్డు ఇచ్చినా కూడా అది చిన్నగానే ఉంటుంది. ఈ దశాబ్దపు పురుషుడనే కాదు, మిలీనియం పురుషుడైనా కూడా నిజంగా కూడా ఆయనకి చాలా తక్కువ అనే చెప్పాలండి.
ఎంఎన్ఆర్ గుప్తా గారు మాకు I have been known MR Gupta more than 1 year. So as an entrepreneur, what I feel he is a role model for all of our entrepreneurs or for startup companies, because his achievements is very huge and is make an admire for the entrepreneurs.
As the global chairman literary forum of World Darvish Mahasabha, feel very much pleasure in this context that MNR Gupta has been awarded today as the person of the decade 2020 by none other than the Creative India, a prestigious organization. Really, a person having taken birth in India, proceeding to Oman and making number of major and prestigious products is incredible. In this direction, my viewpoint is Mr. MNR Gupta fully deserves for this great honor.
I am very much happy to mention about Mr. MNR Gupta in this situation. I knew him since last 17 years in the 16 years from Muscat, and both we have done lot of programs, cultural programs, but big mega events also. And he is in fact a very experienced and qualified, highly infrastructure engineer. I have personally seen him. He has done various highway projects connecting Oman and UAE and Saudi Arabia, and he got a very good award from the government of Oman. And he has created very friendly groups. He is a very selfless person and dedicated to his work and the friends. That is what I can really say.
Hi, I am Lakshmi Prasanna. I am the co-founder of AI Acne Solutions. I know MNR Gupta garu from last 5 years. He's an he had got so many achievements. Like last time we met in an European Business Awards. So he's an inspirational person to anyone. Like today's world is like young persons ki chala ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ కావాలి. సో ఎంఎన్ఆర్ గుప్తా నుంచి చాలా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. యూజింగ్ హిజ్ అచీవ్మెంట్స్, లైక్ అతని అచీవ్మెంట్స్ చూసి మనం చాలా గర్వపడుతున్నాము. ఇంకా మనం కూడా ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ తీసుకొని మనం కూడా అలా అవ్వాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాం.
Mr. MNR Gupta is one of my students during his master's degree in engineering, specializing in traffic and transportation. Mr. Gupta, when he joined, is a student who came from Bhimavaram, and at the first look, I could see the commitment, or rather professional commitment of Mr. Gupta when he started asking questions during the classwork and even after. Later, during his coursework, he has proved himself that not only he know the subject but also extend its application. But in all these years, he could maintain his communication through mails and through oral messages. I don't want to praise too much because it will not be good on my part, but today I am proud that he could receive not just the national name but a global name. A person with a humble start could rise to the occasion to get more than 80 awards at the global level. And as a teacher, I am proud about it.
Gupta garu actually he's so talented that he got so many awards, and I pray to God that he should get many more awards in his life. And ఆయన మంచితనము, ఆయన మంచి టాలెంట్, ఆయన ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ని గుర్తుపెట్టి అందరూ అప్రిషియేట్, అండ్ వీఆర్ హ్యాపీ టు సీ హిమ్ రీచింగ్ న్యూ హైట్స్. So many awards he is getting. I'm very happy for him. Congratulations to Mr. Gupta for that.
My name is Sridhar and I'm the CEO of 2Power and Technologies. I've been associated with Mr. Sri MNR Gupta Garu for quite some time. He's such a visionary, and he's such a wonderful personality. I mean, the vision that he has for Indians and bringing up all the CEOs onto a common platform and develop India to on a global platform is really applaudable. I mean, it's such a great aspiration that Mr. MNR Gupta has. I wish him all the very best, and I hope he gets many more awards in future to all the hard work that he's putting in. Thanks.